Dada? You are saying Dada for the first time on Caitlin Ann's 5-year birthday. Hi, Caitlin.
Hi.
What day is it today?
July 20th.
And where's your party tomorrow?
At Sugar Spice.
Yay! Jilly, can you say Dada? Good job, Jilly! At 8 months, you start saying Mama, and at 9 months, exactly 2 days ago, you turned 9 months. Love you, say Dada. Aw, thank you, Caitlin Ann. Carter's in a bad mood. Dada?
Did you say Dada?
Okay. Love you, Jilly. Love you, Caitlin Ann.
Could you